last 1.5 days in Pangong. Pangong is too beautiful to explain. We started for TSO Moriri now. It's a 240 kilometers ride. It's a very beautiful sunny morning and this road is just heaven for the riders. We cross Man, Chusul, Rezangla on our way. We heard the roads are very tough to drive. There was another road option via Changla Pass, but we chose to have some adventure during the ride. Pangong is a 134 kilometer long lake spread across India, Tibet and Aksai Chin. We're driving in parallel with the lake. Most of the road goes through the India-China border. It's rough and dramatic. এখানে সালা থাকতে হতো সাধারণ We missed the right track multiple times and got some locals to help us. Beyond this point, we have to travel approx 60 kilometers and there is no village in between. The notice board is showing no permission for civilians beyond this point. We were thinking if there is any possibility of getting inside China if we go beyond this point. We got someone to get some guidance for God's sake and we got a go ahead. It was really cool to get into the deep blue water in -2 degrees. It was really chilling. cows, Tibetan wild asses. It's tremendous to see them running in the wild. Basically, we were driving through the Changthang Wildlife Sanctuary. We spotted some black-necked cranes also while we stopped for a break. This is a real treat for the eyes. We are driving through this cold desert, and this is how it looks like. We are identifying the road only by the tire knobs over the sun. I'm not able to run my bike more than 10-15 kilometers an hour. No way out of it if you get stuck here for some reason, especially any bike issues. No mobile connectivity, and we have only 2 liters of water for 4 of us. The feeling of adventure is not at all light. China border on the left side. This is Rezangla. This place is famous for the Veer Airis of Indian Army who fought to the last man last round at Rezangla on November 18th, 1962. Without this crucial victory, the territory might have been captured by China. This battle is listed in the 8 stories of collective bravery published by UNESCO. Finally, we got one village, but we still have 160 plus kilometers to cover. We had completed our Maggie lunch, which we are having almost 2-3 times a day for last 5-6 days straight. And Maggie just started feeling like the most horrible thing we have ever seen. After a few more kilometers, the GoPro was down. We missed another turn which added 20 kilometers in our destination, and we reached TSO Moriri around 9:30 p.m. And out of a very few hotels, homestays there, we booked the first homestay that we can see from the road. And we had a very nice dinner. Next day morning we explored TSO Moriri, and it is really nice. Not so many people come here, but this lake is very beautiful. Might be that is the only reason why it is still so beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and let me know if you like it.